Hi friends, we are going to do the parts of a watermelon labeling. Now the very first thing we're going to do is color our watermelon. So I'm going to use a green to color the outside part of our watermelon. So let's go ahead and use the green. Filling it in, and you can do a light green and a dark green if you want, because sometimes watermelons have that light and dark green on them. So I'm going to color in here and in here. Okay. And then I'm going to use my red crayon to color the inside part of my watermelon. And then in just a second, we're going to talk about what each of these parts are called. All right, so I'm using my red and nicely coloring around the seeds. Okay, and then you can use a brown or a black to color your seeds. I grabbed a dark and I'm coloring in my seeds. All right, so there you have it. If you need to pause, if you're not done, go ahead and pause it. Then I'm going to cut off my words on the side and we're going to look at what these words say. All right, friends, let's stretch this word. Ready? We have seeds, seeds. Rind, rind. And then our last one is flesh, flesh. Okay, so first let's glue the seeds. So we're going to look for the arrow that's pointing to our seeds. So here's my arrow, and I'm going to glue the word seeds right here to label the seeds. Okay, now this inside red part, that's called the flesh. So we're going to glue the word flesh right here at the arrow pointing to the flesh. And then last, that outside part is called the rind. So we're going to glue that in this last box that's pointing to the rind. All right, then I'm going to make sure that my extra is cut off the side. See how there's a little bit that might not fit in your book. So I'm going to cut on the dotted lines to make sure that it fits in my book. And then I'm going to open up my watermelon book and I'm going to glue this on this part right here. So glue it, and I'm going to stick it in. All right, friends, so there we have it, our parts of a watermelon. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.